Christmas! Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to another episode of Just a Pinch. In fact, this is the final episode of a 3-part video series that we've done for Christmas. If you've missed episode number 1 and number 2, I'll link those in the description. So it was a Christmas special and we covered the dishes that I would have eaten growing up as a kid, sort of honoring my mom, as it were. In episode 1, we made a traditional Dutch pea soup, or snart, heerlijk. Episode 2, we made a British classic. It was a roast beef with the Yorkshire puddings and the gravy and roast potatoes, honey glazed carrots. But now we need to make a dessert. And on this channel, I've made a fair amount of desserts. We've done Melva pudding, chocolate lava cake. We've even done meringues. So today's special episode and our dessert, and because it's Christmas, we're going to be making Irish cream liqueur. What the fuck is Irish cream liqueur? Well, it starts with a B and it rhymes with Baileys. Baileys! Yeah. Or if you're South African, it starts with an A and rhymes with Lamarula. So stupid. It's essentially a whiskey-based cream liqueur. The recipe is super simple. The video is going to be really short. We're just going to jump straight in. Let's get going. So ingredients-wise, you want to start off with a high-quality Irish whiskey. There are lots of these on the market. What you don't want to be doing is using a Scotch whiskey. This is an Irish cream liqueur, so we've got to use Irish whiskey. Now, in my day job in radio, my presenter that I work with is Scottish. And I told her what I was making, and she told me she didn't want to be friends anymore. We're going to start off with 360 ml of good quality Irish whiskey. We're then going in 240 ml of cream, and that's just going to make it really nice and thick. Going to add to the texture and that beautiful mouthfeel. Then we're going in with an entire can of 400 ml of sweetened condensed milk. Again, this is adding to the flavor, the texture. It's going to give it that sweetness as well. This is a key ingredient. Just over a teaspoon of vanilla essence, about a tablespoon of your favorite hot chocolate drink. Let's go in with 1.5. Why not? Because it's Christmas. You can of course use a chocolate pouring syrup. A teaspoon of instant espresso goes in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix it all and combine it. So we're going to move over to the blender.
Hey, Simon here. If you like this video, well, hit the like button. Even better, hit subscribe. It really does help me. Right, let's get back to the video then, shall we?
And all of that's just going to go in there. And honestly, you're going to be so surprised at how easy it is to make your own Baileys. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make. So I've gone out and I've bought these cute little bottles because these make great gifts. You can of course adjust the levels of the coffee and the levels of the hot chocolate and your vanilla. You can raise, lower them, as well as the condensed milk, because you know the condensed milk is quite sort of sweet. If you don't like your Baileys or your Lamarula to be that sweet, then of course just lower the condensed milk. It literally smells like the real thing. Let me show you what it looks like. I mean, look at that. Look how cute that is. Done. Your own bottle of Baileys. Imagine that as a wonderful gift. The nice thing is that these can actually last up to a few months. Let's give it a quick taste. It's not feeling very Christmassy. Let me go put a jumper on. Merry Christmas. So that's your Christmas meal complete. You've got the Dutch pea soup as your starter, the delicious roast beef as your main, and of course the perfect dessert. You can settle down after dinner, have a nice little glass. I also made some homemade peanut butter cookies to go along with it. That'll be on my Instagram page a little bit later on. But since it's Christmas, and Christmas is all about spending time with family, here's my family. Yeah, Michelle! Look at your little things.
I know.
It's cute.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom. So we just wanted to say thank you so much for all the support that you've shown since we started this channel in like August. I can't believe it's only been a few months. It's been a fantastic journey. I can't believe we're on 73 subscribers from going from 0 to 73. Hopefully 2021 is going to be an incredible year for you. So whatever it is that you are up to this festive period, and whoever you are spending time with this year. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're making wonderful, wonderful memories as well. And I guess the last thing to say from us is Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. There we go. Sure, we nailed it in one take. Should we taste?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. That's actually fucking good. Like, seriously.
The color is beautiful.
That tastes exactly like when you buy a Baileys off the shelf and you open it up. That's precisely what that tastes like. I'm actually quite surprised. It's very strong. If you have, I'll tell you what, if you have too many of these, you're going to bed very early on Christmas.
It's beautiful, the coloring. It's such a nice Christmas gift.
Yeah. You know how nice this will be on ice cream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do have some ice cream in the fridge.
It's in the recording. Let's see if that actually recorded. It did.
No, switch it off.